Hey guys, what's up? So today we showed in top edge jerseys 5, 7, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Notification Customizer. This is called Substitute, substitute for code substitution, version 2.0.9. Latest changes was fits an edge case crash on MS Hook message ets. This is called Auto Scroll. And are you tired of mechanically scrolling slavery? So this tweak allows you to automatically scroll this for you. So you keep scrolling down, especially when you're reading like news or like on Twitter or whatever, or Instagram, this automatically scrolls down for you at a certain pace you can set it for. Next is called Meredith. This tweak, it's a 10-color system wide and for your favorite apps. Next is called Lyricalizer. It's also lyrification and basically brings up the lyrics on the screen for you. You can listen to like a song or music. Next is called Emoji Port, iOS 9.0 to 9.3, only compatible with iOS 9 to 9.3.6, latest emojis for iOS 9 to 9.3. Next is called Absolute Unified, for iOS 5.8 to 13.5, so also support iOS 14, so it allows you to install apps and games, that are not signed, so pretty cool. Next is called Auto Recorder, record phone calls directly on your iPhone. Supports iOS 6 to 8.s, also auto recorder ets for I think iOS like 11, 12, and 13. Just make sure you guys comply with the laws in your state. Or developers not taking responsibility if you guys use this tweak. So just make sure you guys follow your laws. And yeah, so next is called Jellyfish. Also, I'll mention with Absolute Unified that you also can install IPAs using that. But next is called Jellyfish and modernize your lock screen. So it supports iOS 12.0 to 13.7, inspired by the watchOS motion face. Jellyfish aims to make your lock screen more modern, more beautiful, and more useful. Next is called Modern Alert 2. And iOS alerts are born. Apple has been using the same design for years, and it's time for something more modern. So this tweak allows you to customize your alerts. So you have custom backgrounds, custom button colors, custom background image, and dark mode. This is called Skinny Settings. Make sure your settings minimal or sleek and more. So supports iOS 8 to 14, so you customize your settings. Next is called Jarvis, powerful multi-center. So place the notification center and control center in one place for easy access and much more. Supports iOS 13 and 14, not made for iPad. Next is called MagSafe, and MagSafe charging indicator just like iOS 14, but this works on older devices. Or older iOS versions, so iOS 12 to 14.3 this works on. This is called Device. It's ARM64 dual boots or tethered downgrades on device. So with our ARM64 dual boots and tethered downgrades, Checkra1n is used to tether boot to second OS after rebooting tethered downgrade. So this is a fork section made by Sam G as a ninja, and source code available here. So it allows you to I believe downgrade. Yeah, to maybe downgrade to like an iOS version. Yeah, so, you dual boot. So dual boot. So that means you have like you have the iOS version you have now, and also an iOS version, like on iOS 13 or 14. So you run two different iOS versions at the same time. So it's pretty cool. I did use this, and I did get bricked my main device. So just be careful when you guys are using this. Definitely back it up. Definitely use this on a test backup device because there's a decent chance that you could. It's kind of like changing resolution. Like change your resolution and when you mess with the resolution, and when you mess with the iOS version, like your dual boot, there's a lot of issues that could happen. So this is called FlyJBX. You can hide to and jailbreak your iDevice. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.